Today, we'll review the fees a tenant pays throughout the features offered on Avail. Tenants can create an Avail account for free, and there are no fees for tenants to maintain an account. Once signed up, and depending on the landlord preferences and account configuration, there may be some cost to the tenant. For applications, prospective tenants can complete and share their renter profile with any landlord for free. This will include contact information, residency history, and income data. Landlords can also request paid screening reports from applicants. Avail offers TransUnion credit, eviction history, and criminal background reports. These can be requested to be paid by the applicant, or the landlord can elect to cover the fees. Reports can start at just $30 with a full bundle for $55. For payments, tenants should connect a bank account to schedule convenient online payments. Tenants whose landlord is on a free subscription will pay a nominal $2.50 ACH fee per payment made using a bank account. For tenants whose landlord is on a paid subscription, the ACH convenient fee is automatically waived. All payments made by credit or debit cards will incur a 3.5% convenience fee billed to the tenant. No fees are ever deducted from the charge amount funded to the landlords. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.